Hello, stamping friends. This is Monica Gibberti with Stamping with Monica. Welcome, welcome. And this is a very quick impromptu reminder.
Hello, stamping friends.
And I need to mute myself. I just wanted to pop in. Today is May 18th. 2026. It is 6:19 p.m. Eastern Time. I just wanted to pop in quickly. As you know, I'm not going to do my regular weekly class, but I needed to pop in to do a quick reminder of a class of which the registration is closing today, and it is the Waterside Retreat class. Registration for the class, as I said, it closes today. You can decide to take the class, a one-time class, or if you would like to join the club, that would be the Crafty club. That would be also a wonderful thing, especially because you save every single month on the registration. So what you will receive in this class? This is my monthly class that I do every month. I usually focus on a suite or a bundle, or sometimes just a stamp set, and I pick different product that coordinate for that and design 8 projects. Okay, so this is my least the most economic class that I have in a sense, because you get a lot of supplies in this class, and this month it's even more. Every dime of the registration goes into the product. You will receive for this class the whole package, the whole pack this month of the Designer Series paper. It is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. If you're a card maker, good. If you're a scrapbooker, this paper goes in, gives you more to do. Then you're gonna have a pack of the coordinating anchored trinkets. They're here, okay? And you also are receiving a full spool of the linen thread. You will make 8 projects, and this month is different. I've decided to do, usually it is 4 cards times 2, but this month I'm going to do 6 different cards, and you are going to make also 2 3D items. It is targeted to the masculine theme. So it is, this class is good for preparing cards for birthday, for Father's Day, and for different occasions. You have the opportunity, if you don't have the bundle, to add the bundle at cost, meaning that I will cover the shipping and tax on it, and then you will be set. You could use the ink pads that I decide to use, or you can substitute with whatever you have at home. If you don't want to purchase the bundle and you have something similar, you can do also, but I just need to remind everybody that when you add the bundle at time of registration, you always save on shipping and tax. I have a little sneaky peeky of 2 cards, and I'm going to show it to you. One is pretty familiar. I just changed it a little bit. Is the one that I did for my catalog kickoff event. I just added a layer, embossing the papers right here, and then you will have to do all the stamping and die cutting. I cannot send you anything pre-stamped, so having the bundle is the best way for you to finish the projects as designed. It will include a detailed PDF tutorial, and if something is really particular, I will do a little video to show you the how to assemble the projects, but the tutorial should be pretty simple to follow. And then this is another one, another card right there. Look at this. We're gonna make that. I'm gonna prepare everything for this for you, but then this beautiful Designer Series paper just speaks for itself. The other cards will use a bunch of this paper right here. but I'm not going to show it to you. It's just a sneaky peeky. And I apologize because I don't know why there's interruption with my video. I had to switch my connection off. And so hopefully this video will be okay. But anyways, I just wanted to remind you today, May 18th, is the last day to register for the class. As I said, the cost, I need to tell you. If you would like to join the club, then for 6 consecutive months, your cost would be $48 shipped. And if you're local, it will be $40 for pickup. My class in person is usually the last Saturday of the month here in my studio. But as I said, you can take it and create at your own pace at home. If you want to just try this month's class, the cost is $52 shipped. And if you want to pick it up because you're local, is $44. So as you can see, you are saving each month if you become part of the club at least $4 in because of that. And then after 6 consecutive months, you will receive a little a goodie bag from me of about $25 value. So that is the perk of being part of the club. Now, you can try for what months. As I said, you can register for this month at one time, or you can decide that you want to join the club. Now, you can also join the club, and then if after 2 months you don't like it anymore, you can just unsubscribe, because it is a PayPal subscription. So once you start, then every month it's a recurring payment. And but as I said, you can unsubscribe, and then we're good to go. Then if by any chance you decided that you want to subscribe again, please know that the interruption of the subscription is also the interruption of the 6 consecutive months, if it is within the 6 months. I hope this is clear. But anyways, today is the last day. I will put the link for the registration, and you can read all about it in there. And I hope you're going to join this month, because this is a cutie patootie suite. I love it because we can create masculine cards, deviate from all the flowers and all this stuff. So I hope you join this month's class, or join the club and try it out for at least 6 months, and then you get your benefits. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. And thank you for tuning in. If you're watching and live, I see a set of eyes. Obviously, I cannot see comments because it is Facebook. But if you're popping on, put replay. And if you have any questions, let me know. Also, you can subscribe to my email distribution. There's going to be a link, and you will receive all the information of all my other events and classes for the future. Okay? So thank you so much, and have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.